What is up, guys? My name is Carson. That's my beautiful wife, Sammy. Today, we are heading to Atlantic City. We are going to be taking you guys to Atlantic City on a private chartered flight through Borgata. Now, this cost us $60 per person. Sammy will pop up the little offer we got in the mail somewhere here. But basically, the way it works is they charter a big airplane. They invite you to come there. It's $60 per person for the flight. That includes 3 nights stay, and then they give you $60 in free play actually when you get to the Borgata. So really, it's free. So we're gonna see how it goes. Supposedly, there's a bus that takes you from the airport to the hotel. You don't ever have to touch your luggage. We'll see if it's a scam, if it's a ripoff, or if it's exactly what they state and a great deal. We'll check it out.
Also, you are flying with Suncountry? Suncountry?
Suncountry.
Suncountry. Here's a parking ticket. It's $20 per day, I think. Pretty pricey. And we're going to show you Suncountry and this free trip to Atlantic City. So we're going to see how it goes.
First leg of the trip, we are getting here to Jacksonville International Airport. We've never been to this airport before. Suppose we have to park. We're going to go into the Frontier.
No, it's in the north side of the Jacksonville terminal, next to Frontier.
Next to Frontier, that's what I'm saying.
And you have to call the number on the paper that they give you day of and morning of to make sure your flight's on time since it's a charter, and make sure it's in the same spot. It wasn't the same as last night as this morning we called, but make sure you call that number to make sure your flight's there.
There you go.
They said that like 7 times. You have to call in the morning.
So, all right, we will see you inside. Alrighty, let's go. Suncountry.
Okay, so that was super easy. The line is definitely filling up, but like everyone has yellow tags, which means I guess they got the Borgata thing that we got. So easy that you don't need to give them the sheet that they said that you did need to send in. Don't quote me on that. She said we didn't need it. She said the other people didn't need it either. We literally gave her IDs. That was it. Took the bags, no baggage weight, whereas we're like 40 and 45, no problem. Pretty sure it was 70 pounds you get allowed. Super simple, and she gave us our tickets, and that was quite literally it. Not one question, just here's an ID, here's your tickets. Have a good time. All right. So we'll see it through security, and we'll see where our seats are, because she did say they are automatically assigned and you cannot change them. So
there you go. All right, for those of you guys wondering like what kind of plane it is, that's our plane right there. It's a full-size jet. I mean, nice full-size jet, Suncountry Airlines, and we're gonna be boarding here in about 20 minutes, and we'll see what it's like on board. Here we go.
we're on. It's 12:12. It takes off at 12:43, and they started boarding around 11:58, 12. But definitely a lot of boarding groups with us. So. No like rush, but pretty standard. But I believe they board back to front. I saw someone on YouTube say that, so I don't know. But it would be nice if that's true. So we'll see.
Now for this bit, we are going to switch over to a voiceover because I did sit next to someone else, not Carson, so I didn't want to be super annoying. But here is a quick review of the chair. Here is your in-flight drinks and snacks, and then how to connect to the Wi-Fi, which was really nice. They had some options for movies and everything like that, so you can see how to connect your phone. And then overall, it was a pretty average standard. I would compare it to like a JetBlue plane. Of course, you had your little tray table, pretty roomy, slid in and out. We were in an exit row, so you can see the instructions here, and we did have a lot more space. There's an outlet down there to the right, which was nice to have. And again, we had like ample room. Again, we were in exit row, but overall we had a lot of space. So again, Carson was across from me, so the guy next to me, I just didn't want to be yapping his ear off. So here I am. Ooh, yay, 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 so fun. And to just give you an idea, tons of space for a pretty large backpack to fit all the way under the seat in front of you. And again, showing you lots of leg room. But overall, that's kind of just the idea and layout of the plane. And we'll show you guys what we get as we fly with them. As for your snacks and drinks, they did give you Cheez-Its right when you got on board, so they actually didn't come down for snacks. But for drinks, they did offer beer, wine, and sodas at no cost. So pretty cool. You can drink and eat while you are heading to Atlantic City.
So someone met us outside.
Gray bus, but I'm a little confused because they're all gray. There's two different locations you're going to, Borgata or I think the other MGM. They're all gray. The guy on the airplane said, "Don't get on the wrong bus." One goes to MGM, and I think one goes to like Golden Nugget or something.
I don't think so.
I don't know. I'm gonna put it in.
So the company actually mails you a letter with a form that you're supposed to fill out, and this is where I saw the secondary casino that was linked to our same flight. I want to say it was Caesars, so my best guess it was also Caesars sharing the flight with us, so you could either go to Borgata or Caesars, but sorry, I don't have a picture of that, but that is my best guess for you.
There's two options. Remember when we filled out the form? Oh, that's right, you didn't fill it out. I filled it out.
There you go.
There's the buses though, right there.
Yeah.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
I'll see you on there.
Nice bus. Bathroom. Are we leaving?
I told you.
punctual. We were supposed to land at 2:50, and we're in the bus rolling out of here at 2:45. We did get on the first bus. There's 4. So obviously they go 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So if you're trying to go quick, don't take your time.
I stopped to go pee.
That's it. And I feel like we were like one of the last ones on. We landed like 8 minutes ago.
Literally.
Okay, it's really quiet in here, so we'll recap in the room. But really nice bus. Look at this. We're already rolling. That is punctuality. I thought we'd be waiting around, like, you know.
Totally agree.
What do they care about us? I mean, geez. All right, so once you leave the airport, ACY, not Philadelphia. Again, if you're flying into just like normal Atlantic City, you're probably flying into Philly because Spirit has stopped flights to ACY, and this was a charter plane. But you're only about 15 minutes. We'll give it 18 minutes from the airport.
Easy.
And this guy is holding ass. Alright, you know you're getting close when you see the windmills. There we go. There's those windmills. There's the Borgata right there. And then you have the boardwalk, which you can't see because the sea mist is so bad. It's actually crazy. You can only see the top of ocean. I don't know if you can see it from here. Also, the sea breeze and the sea mist is something today, but there are the windmills, and here we go.
This bus, and you go through these doors, there's going to be a desk to your left and to your right. If you're Sapphire and Pearl, we're going to go to the left. If you're Gold, Platinum, and Noir, you're going to go to your right. If you don't know which car level you have, just go to the left desk. And at those desks is going to be your welcome packets. So it's going to have your itinerary, your room keys, and your player's card. So just have your license ready to pick them up. And your luggage is going to be in your room in about 2 hours. You don't have to be in your room to pick up your luggage. Just don't put the do not disturb sign on there so they can put the bags into the room. And besides that, you're all set. So thank you.
So we made it, and that's the bus. I think we're the first bus here, so.
I think so too.
So this is the line we gotta wait in. We'll see how long it goes. 3:06, so we'll see how long it takes to get to the front. Okay, well, update, that took 3 minutes, but apparently we're not gold. Again, I don't know what color we are, so we're on this one. So I'll come back. Update again, it was less than 60 seconds, not even kidding you guys. We showed our IDs, we got a welcome packet, which we'll show you in the room. We're room 1142, literally took, what, 3 minutes since I showed you guys? 3:06 to 3:09 with that whole bus full of people. So easy, so fast. I'm still telling you, there's gotta be a trick to this. This is just crazy, so let's go check out the room. Beautiful though, they have it decorated for like summer. So pretty, flowers, butterflies. There were frogs out front, really, really cool. So let's go see the room.
Dude, that was so easy.
That was so easy, like, I'm like concerned. Oh, hi, you have to scan to get in. Okay, he's the bottom
And
one.
then if you look, there's different elevator banks. So we need bank 11.
Oh, we were that one last time too.
So there you go, we're the first one. Now we got a low floor. Sammy likes low floors.
1142. If you want a full room tour, check out our channel. We already have one, but this is a classic King non-smoking. We'll just do a quick one for you.
All right, here we are. Here's the room tour. So this is a quick little room tour. You got your sink with mirror. Got your nice walk-in shower with a little sitting area or put your foot up on there. And toilet. Walk on out. We got a nice big mirror. This has got to be, yep, closet with the safe. I hate these safes. Here's your nice king-size bed.
Mini fridge is empty. I forgot about
Mini
that.
fridge with an empty area, which is
nice.
always nice. Television. You got your little sofa. Got your desk, which makes things nice. You can use your work. And then this is our view. No strip view, but I guess there really is no strip here.
The ocean.
We're actually facing the boardwalk, which is kind of cool.
Yeah, we're
Now I
actually
think about
facing
it.
the boardwalk.
It's actually facing the boardwalk. But that is that, and there's the parking garage. So we'll do a quick little synopsis about this so you guys see it. But
From start to finish, I'm going to be completely honest with you. I'm absolutely shocked. It was the most seamless process ever from check-in, which took 30 seconds. Boarding the plane took 15 minutes. The plane ride, they said, was like 2 hours and 15. It was an hour and 30 minutes.
really cool. They also, they board back to front, kind of. I mean, pretty like 50% boarding
most
back
part.
to front, which is really nice.
Right,
so.
you had some wheelchairs, you had some like people that paid the extra. I think it's like $130 a person if you want to have one seat in between the two of you. Flight was smooth. We got off. I'm telling you, it was about, I got off the plane, I walked out the doors, and I was told to come on. I got on the bus, off the bus. I got my room key in about 30 seconds. Really cool. Let's open this packet real quick. Here's the packet you get, right? You get your room keys. All right, you get 2 of those. You have a no bag pull, so that's if you, when you leave, you don't want them to take your bag from the room. You want to take it yourself. You can put this out, but obviously we're gonna have them take our bags. Your bags do come in about 2 hours after you get to the hotel, so it should be here around 4:30, maybe 5 o'clock. Really cool. They print your cards. By the way, we are Sapphire, which I'm pretty sure is the lowest. I thought we were gold. I don't know. One of the ones were gold. I don't know.
Yeah, we're the lowest.
We're the lowest. So
Same
we're
figure
nothing
gold.
crazy.
No.
Just putting that out there. We're nothing crazy. But you get new cards. That's nice. Usually you have to go to the Players Club. This says your jackpots. Here's our letter. Borgata. All right, here we go. Bag pickup begins at 9. Checkout is at 11. Buses begin loading at 12:52. Buses depart promptly at 1:22. Your flight number is 8176. Your flight departs at 3:07 and it arrives at 5:19. And have your bags placed outside your room for the pickup time, so 9 a.m. they need to be out. If you don't want them, put the tag out. And that's quite literally it.
Fantastic.
The easiest thing in the world.
Let's go over pricing real quick. This costs $60 per person. However, they give you $60 back in free play per person. So really, it costs $0. That is for your airline ticket. That is for transportation to here and from here. Them getting your bag, putting it in your room. 3-night hotel stay.
No, 4-night hotel stay.
Was it 4 nights we're here?
Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, 4 nights.
Wow, 4-night hotel stay, transportation, $60 a person. If you wanted to upgrade and have the middle seat, that's where it got expensive. It was $120 per person, so that would have been $240. Now the flight was literally an hour and 30 minutes.
It was super easy. And we got the exit row. You can request what you want to sit in. Of course, it's not guaranteed. We wanted to sit next to each other. We did not.
Yep.
But we did get the exit row, so we got one of our requests, so that worked out.
The plane did not have Wi-Fi, but it was a standard jet. It is waiting for you, so you're not having to wait for anybody to deboard.
True, but it did have Wi-Fi as in on-board Wi-Fi as in entertainment Wi-Fi. So like you can't text on it, but you can watch movies on it. So you don't have to download before you go. Like you can watch movies on your phone if that makes sense. Super easy. We're gonna go explore Atlantic City, so if you want to stay tuned, come along for a little dinner, come along for a little show, maybe Wild Wild West on a Saturday night, maybe some beer pong competition. Stay tuned. If not, like and subscribe. That is what your round trip MGM Borgata stay is gonna get you. If you want to continue, come along with us. We'll show you some more of Atlantic City and come back to our channel for a whole bunch of other Borgata and Atlantic City content.
Here we go.
Let's go. So we are on the boardwalk. It is nothing. If you guys saw our videos in December, it's nothing like it used to look like. I mean, it's like shop after food after shop after food after slammed after trams after, it's friggin' slammed. It's awesome. Also, we got fresh cut fries from Fresh Cut French Fries.
It's a cool thing.
I know, it's really cool. So how are your fresh cut fries? Are they good?
Get a medium because they really feel like a small.
Yeah, we're gonna go eat soon, but we may eat a little later now because we got these fresh cut fries. Are they really hot? They're look
good
hot.
though, dude.
This little ketchup holder is adorable. Oh wow, that was good.
$8.
Alright, so we'll keep walking. We'll see you guys at the Irish pub, but it is slammin'. Things I've never seen open before. It's crazy. Basically, we've been walking around. We got some merch at Bally's.
They're getting free hats if you signed up. Big tip, sign up at every casino.
Every casino. You get something for free. They spelled our name wrong, so I don't know if we already have one or not. So.
We go up there, we go, hey, do we have a account? She types in her last name.
I know you have
Listen, hold on, she types her last name, she goes, no. I was like, okay, so we give her all our info, she prints off our name, and she spelled her last name wrong.
So I don't know, but we got that out of it. We're slowly walking to dinner. We had the fresh cut fries, so we're not as hungry
They
now.
were amazing, by the way. $8, best $8 I spent, honestly.
They were like surprisingly, seriously delicious.
Yeah, they were fantastic.
And now we're just kind of popping in these shops because they weren't here last time.
Yeah.
So fun. So we'll bring you to the pub. We may not show you all the pub. It's probably going to be another video on our channel, but
we're just going to show you like an easy little bit of pub, but it'll actually be a real video. So it looks super cool. Manager came up and we were playing one slot machine in the Hard Rock. It's like, he goes, hey, you guys do anything tonight? And we were like, I was like, no, not really. He goes, you win anything? I was like, yeah, just convert and free play. He goes, well, listen, I got 2 tickets to the brand new balcony experience at the Hard Rock.
He said it's a really cool rooftop bar. I said, when does it open? He said 8. He goes, but it doesn't get live until like, 11:30. But that's not my vibe anymore. I'm 27. That's like past my time. But I think it'd be really cool, like 10 p.m. The views are probably amazing.
Yeah.
We got free entry. My guess, I don't know, we're gonna come back to you. My guess is probably 40 to 50 for him, probably 20 to 30 for
I'd like
me,
to know,
if I had to guess.
Googled it, it doesn't really say pricing, so we're gonna try to find out.
Yeah, it just says like VIP, blah, 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 blah. But it's brand new,
Where's
so
the tickets at? Let me show them. So what you get, the balcony ballad for 1 complimentary?
We got 8 to 11, DJ Kaminsky.
We may go out there, so you may see us there. But still a nice gesture.
Yeah, no, it's definitely something.
Yeah. This is the entrance off the steel pier.
Hold on, in front of what used to be, I think, Wonderworks.
To the Irish pub. What used to be Wonderworks to the right here. This is one of the best restaurants, and we'll see you guys inside. Really quick short note before we head inside. It's kind of crazy. Last time we were here was Christmas. It was New Year's.
Yeah, it was Christmas.
And they had to have spent $10,000 on decking out their place. The inside.
Nutcrackers, Santa Clauses, the whole outside was like, not even recognizable.
It was incredible. All right, so we're gonna go inside. We'll see you there.
We're just going to give you a quick overview. If you want to see the full in-depth video, it's on our channel. Here is a quick look at the menu, and then I got the corned beef special. It really was just a corned beef sandwich, so I was a little surprised by that. And then here is the fish and chips, and then here is the bill, $38, pretty cheap. We got some drinks, some food, and of course, if you guys want the full in-depth review, pretty surprising our review, to be honest with you, but go check that out if you want to see the rest of the pub here in Atlantic City. If not, let's keep on going.
Boardwalk update at 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. We got up at 6 a.m. So
Yeah, but
it's
8:45 Boardwalk update, it's slammed.
Slam-a-jammin'. Crazy.
This is what I envision Snooki and Pauly D.
And JWoww.
Yeah, all came down on
Jersey Shore, same. Where's the beach?
t-shirt shops.
T-shirt time.
It's t-shirt time.
That's what I envision right here.
Alright, so we're gonna walk down for a little bit. We're gonna go see if Wild West is still a party as we remember it on a Saturday night. The first time we ever came here, we just ended up there by accident. It was so fun.
We like Wild Wild West
It
a lot.
was such a good time. So
It's attached to Caesars.
yes, right next to the Hook.
Yep.
So we're gonna go see if that's a vibe, and then after that, we're probably gonna call it a night. But
Yep.
we have so much to show you guys tomorrow. But don't be fooled. I may stay here a while.
Yeah.
You may see some good footage.
That's how it goes.
Yeah, yeah.
Here we go, Boardwalk Saloon. We love this place.
Yeah.
Sister to the Hook, which we are seeing in a couple nights. Another great show, Wild Wild West. We love this place.
Getting ready. Oh my God, people are riding the bull. We have to go watch.
Oh yeah.
All right, we'll get a drink and then we'll show you the riding the bull. Should be fun.